Hey everyone, hoping you're all doing well. Today I am going to show you guys how to make apple crumble. Stay with me and let's get started on this recipe. For this recipe, I am going to use the following ingredients. I have brown soft sugar, some unsalted butter, plain flour, apples, I'm using Bramley apples, salt, more brown sugar, ground cinnamon and vanilla extract. And as always, all ingredients including measurement will be in the description box below. I'm going to wash my apples and next I will peel the apples using my peeler. Also, because I'm not making a lot of the apple crumble, this is just for my husband because he absolutely loves apple crumble. I'm only using 2 apples. However, if you are making a lot of the apple crumbles whilst you're peeling, I would advise that you leave the peeled apples in water so it doesn't brown. Now using a sharp knife, I'm just going to cut the apples into 2 and then into 2 again, ensuring that I have removed the seed and also cut out the core part of the apples because I don't need this part. Next, I'm just going to slice the apples thinly. However, if you do like your apple crumble with the apples quite chunky, then feel free to cut your apples to your desired size. Once I finish slicing my apples, I'm just going to place the sliced apples in a pan. Now time to cook these apples until it is nice and soft, and before I do that, I'm going to add brown sugar. You can add any sugar of your choice. Now I'm going to add vanilla extract. I will add ground cinnamon, a little bit of salt and a little bit of water. I will then mix everything together and allow the apples to simmer on low to medium heat for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now time to make the crumble. You will need plain flour, brown sugar or any type of sugar of your choice, cinnamon, a little bit of salt and unsalted butter. Mix everything together using your fingertips until you achieve a crumble consistency. So for the crumble itself, some people tend to add rolled oats to it. My husband doesn't like it because I'm making this recipe for him. However, if you don't mind adding rolled oats to your crumble, then go ahead and add a little bit of it to your crumble and just mix everything together well. And as you can see, this is the consistency I am looking for. I have my crumble ready, so now I'm just going to check on the apples to ensure that it is nice and soft. And the apples are ready, so time to assemble this apple crumble. Also guys, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly please click on that subscribe button and click the notification bell, which will notify you whenever I post new recipes. I'm now going to go ahead and pour the cooked apples in my baking-proof baking dish, and next I will just spread it out to ensure that it is nice and even. Now Now time to add the crumble, and I'm just going to spread it to make sure that it is nice and even and it has fully covered the apples at the bottom. Also ensure that you have been preheating your oven. I have been preheating my oven at 180 degrees for the last 20 minutes. Now I'm just going to place the apple crumble in my oven and allow it to bake for 20 to 30 minutes or until the top is nice and golden. And 20 to 30 minutes later, the apple crumble is ready. It smells amazing. Enjoy it with custard or ice cream, any way that you like. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time. Enjoy. Bye.